First exercise. Bodyweight standing military press wall supported. The bodyweight standing military press is a great exercise for building shoulder strength, improving posture, and enhancing upper body stability. By pressing your body against a wall, it isolates the deltoids and reduces momentum. Perform 3 to 4 sets of 10 to 15 reps, ensuring proper form to maximize benefits and prevent injury. Second exercise. Posterior neck isometric. Posterior neck isometric exercises strengthen neck muscles, improve posture, and reduce neck pain. They enhance stability and prevent injuries. Perform 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps, holding each contraction for 5 to 10 seconds. Gradually increase duration as strength improves. Perfect for rehabilitation and maintaining overall neck health. Third exercise. Floor hyperextension with towel. This exercise strengthens your lower back, improves posture, and enhances core stability. Place a towel under your hips for comfort. Perform 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps, focusing on controlled movements to avoid strain and maximize results. Fourth exercise. Floor T raise. Lie face down on the floor with arms extended to the sides, forming a T. Squeeze your shoulder blades together and lift your arms off the ground. Hold the raised position for a few seconds. Slowly lower your arms back to the floor. The floor T raise strengthens your upper back, shoulders, and improves posture. Perform 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps, focusing on controlled movement. It's ideal for enhancing shoulder stability and countering the effects of prolonged sitting or slouching. Fifth exercise. Bodyweight standing around world wall supported. Stand with your back against a wall, feet shoulder width apart. Extend your arms to the sides at shoulder height, palms facing forward. Slowly move your arms in a circular motion, touching your hands above your head and then lowering them back to the starting position. The bodyweight standing around the world wall supported exercise improves shoulder mobility, stability, and flexibility. It strengthens the shoulder muscles, enhances joint function, and reduces tension. Perform 2 to 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps, holding each position for 2 to 3 seconds. Sixth exercise. Chin tuck against the wall. Stand with your back against a wall, feet shoulder width apart. Keep your back flat against the wall and look straight ahead. Gently tuck your chin in towards your neck, creating a double chin. The chin tuck against the wall helps improve posture by strengthening neck muscles and reducing neck pain. It targets the cervical spine and upper back, enhancing alignment. Perform 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps, holding each tuck for 5 to 10 seconds. Last exercise. Lying prone T. Lie face down on the floor with your arms extended out to the sides, forming the letter T. Lift your arms up, squeezing your shoulder blades together. Hold the position briefly before lowering your arms back down. Lying prone T raises are great for strengthening the upper back and improving posture. They target the lower traps and rear delts. Perform 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps, focusing on controlled movement to maximize muscle activation and reduce shoulder strain.